We got 100 citizens.
We are dead.
Wait, I was gonna say no. My legs. I'm sorry. What? Saved my entire kingdom. You bring the king. If you're gonna be pooping out eggs all day, I can sell those for money. No. My sales are going in rest. $40. Very good, very good. Very good. Oh, my lord, if I see he's not cool, I think I'll cookie. I'm not eating them. I had a bad. Honestly, go for it. $10. 8 people. Yeah, this is actually works. Yeah, sure. 15 people.
Dami ko atang mantika. Ugas-ugas maglagay.
I'll leave it here with you. Lift them at homes. You haven't been talking to Skelly, have you?
What's that? Ba't dyan ka nagsisyokodive?
Sila na yo!
Over here, okay?
Sarap. Sesame oil. Peppa. Salt. By the way, this is Japanese food pala. Nakita ko lang yung recipe online, so let's try. Sarap. Parang Chinese food or Korean food kasi may sesame oil. Fairness ah. Sarap. Magugustuhan to ni Papa tsaka Papa. Ni Kia hindi ko akaalam. Kasi hindi ko alam kung mahilig siya sa ganito or magugustuhan niya.
Meron ng isang chewy. Ang talaga.
Kain, salad. Bacon. Their house. Kaya na lang. Mas disco pa nilagyan?
Parang lakalaka sa picture.
Feel. Itadakimasu! Let's
Hindi
eat.
ko parang masyado para sa mga Japanese food ah.
Let's eat.
Kaya sa akin.